99% of people out there say they cannot work with family. There's no way they could possibly work with their siblings. And I get that. I mean, I can understand how that can be frustrating, but you just have to sort of set your ground rules from the get-go. Jonathan and I, we work very well together. We complement each other, but we call it our no BS policy. If something's bugging us, we get it out, we deal with it. We don't let it pent up. Over the years, maybe we've had a couple of arguments. More when we were kids, we had a couple of fights, but we don't really anymore. If one of us is getting frustrated, we just call that person out. Like, I can tell you're in a bad mood today. What's the issue? Vent it a little bit, and then let's move on. At the end of the day, when we work together, we find that Jonathan and I we come up with a better solution together. And I think that's because we can separate emotion, family from business. That's actually helped us because it lets us realize when one of us are being more emotionally charged in a conversation, and it lets us talk ourselves through that.